in Tibetan Buddhism, we have mainly 4 lineages, and these 4 lineages, what we call like 4 legs of the table. And each lineage has a unique practice and a unique way of to engage the Buddha Dharma. So the Nyingma is some Nyingma in Tibetan word Nyingma meaning the early translation, the early one lineage, the early lineage, something like that. And this is mainly brought Nyingma lineage brought into Tibet by Padmasambhava, which is a great Indian enlightened master came to Tibet. The Nyingma is main focus about what we call Dzogchen meaning great perfection. The great perfection, the main focus about the view. The view meaning to understand the nature of our mind. So the Nyingma, the first what we call pointing out teaching, that will be the main focus. Once you recognize your true nature, the nature of yourself, nature of phenomena, and then to maintain that recognition, then teach the meditation. So from the view, then you establish meditation. That's the mainly Nyingma style. And then second lineage is Kagyupa. Kagyupa meaning the lineage of the transmission, lineage of the word or lineage of transmission. So the Kagyupa start in Tibet by Marpa Losawa. Marpa is the name of the family name, and Losawa meaning translator. So Kagyupa lineage is the main focus on the meditation, and there's a lot of emphasis about the experiential practice. So great teacher like Marpa Losawa, and Marpa Losawa, the main student is Milarepa. Milarepa is like wandering yogi who stay in the mountain and entire life focus about the meditation. And this is what we call experiential lineage. So it's kind of like not just intellectually understand and bring into heart, into the practice, into your experiential level, and then go to the next level. So once you learn meditation step by step, experiential, then you go into the view. View is to recognize your true nature of all phenomena. These both are what we call the practical, the practice lineage. The Kagyu and Nyingma both emphasize about the practice, about the meditation. So Kagyupa first try to get the experience, and through experience, and you learn the knowledge. And for Nyingma, first you get the knowledge, then you get the experience. So that's the kind of like difference in another word. And Sajapa main focus is tantric practice. So tantric, the developmental stage, which is working with the imagination, and completion stage, which is working with the body, the energy, essence of energy, and the nerves. And then of course the view is the one test, the union of samsara and nirvana is kind of like view, which is similar as Dzogchen and Kagyupa. So they have the particular main focus is the tantric practice. Then after that, Gelugpa start. So Gelugpa, which is begin by Tsongkhapa, great master. Tsongkhapa really focus about the education, the study, especially the sutta, which is the Buddhist philosophy. Those study main focus. And through that, train the mind, and then eventually you practice the meditation and the view. So the main focus of the Gelugpa first is the philosophy, Buddhist philosophy. Of course, all these different lineages are essence is same. So it's not like one is better than another. It's about same and it's same, and also depend on the people's personality, mentality. So therefore there are many different lineages, and all the essence is same from the Buddha. So all these lineage depend on the personality, depend on the mentality. So this is why there are many different lineage comes, and it's not like one is better than another one. It is some kind of like different emphasis, and if you take it and apply in your life, that will be beneficial.